maiTour for SAP Sales Cloud, your assistant to make visit planning simple and intelligent with just 3 steps in 5 minutes. A visit planning and tour optimization add-on from Nagarro. Hi, I am Chris, and today I'm introducing you to maiTour, the smart solution for intelligent and dynamic visit planning and route optimization. I am starting with a click on the tile maiTour to open the visit planning add-on, which is directly integrated into your Sales Cloud. On first time opening maiTour, I can define my working hours and location where and when my route begins and ends. I can also specify my working days and whether I want to stay overnight or not. I plan my customer visits from Monday to Friday and overnight stay until Thursday. maiTour is divided into 3 stages, and it starts with the customer selection. It considers all relevant data of my customers, which are stored in my SAP Sales Cloud. Now I set the planning period. I want to plan for 1 week. maiTour shows me my already planned activities on these days, as well as proposals from customers I should visit during this period. In the proposals list, I can inspect the priority and other information of a customer by clicking the row. Various key figures can be used for the prioritization of customers. In this case, the ABC classification, the number of days overdue, which is determined by the visit frequency, and the industry are used for this. With the proposals, maiTour considers the priority of a customer, my own working hours, as well as the visiting days and hours of my customers, which I've stored in my SAP Sales Cloud. For more information about a customer, I can jump directly to a customer in my Sales Cloud by clicking on the link here. Down here are the relevant activities for this time period. Since I chose to plan with the option of overnight stays, maiTour already added them to the relevant activities. Also, I have a call on Monday and other activities like meetings on the other days. Furthermore, I can add specific customers through the manual customer search. For example, additional A-classified customers in my area. Down here, I can set the area according to drive time or distance. With these specifications, maiTour has found 1 customer. Now I can add this customer to the proposals list. Also, I can remove customers. For example, because I have already made an appointment with this customer for next week. Now, let's start planning for these selected customers. Here, I have the possibility to set additional restrictions. For example, I promised Gastronomy Schiller to come on Wednesday at 2 p.m. And this time I want to sleep at home on Monday night, so I'm going to remove that overnight stay. I also can ignore a visit or an appointment for this tour, and I can decide that a visit should be included in any case. That's it. Now I can optimize this tour. By optimizing this tour with considering all the restrictions I made, I get my perfect tour for the next days with travel times. Also, my other activities are included in this tour. By clicking on the map icon, I can inspect the tour and have a look at it day by day. With a click on a customer, I see further information about him. To the left of the map, I see the tour in a list with the individual days and customers I would like to visit. Down here also, the customers are shown which were not optimized, and I can check why. Here, for example, was no more time left in the planning period to visit this customer. Now, I click at the Save button, and maiTour saves this tour into my Sales Cloud calendar. Here I see my already planned activities, as well as all visits planned with maiTour. maiTour for SAP Sales Cloud, your assistant to make visit planning simple and intelligent with just 3 steps in 5 minutes. A visit planning and tour optimization add-on from Nagarro.